In Crime Tracker 10, crime fighters, with school out for the summer, your teen has a lot more free time on their hands. So now is the time to remind them about the curfew rules in your neighborhood. 10 TV anchor Jeff Hogan has the reminders parents should go over with their kids.
Joined this morning by Sergeant Doug Stevens, Westerville Division of Police. We want to thank you for joining us. Summer break time is almost upon us, which is a good fun time, but you know what? Folks get active in many different ways.
They do.
Let's talk about curfew just a little bit, which is something that I guess that can blanket the whole year round when you're talking about school and things like that. But curfew, I don't know how much of an issue it is in Westerville, but something you keep tabs on.
Absolutely. The way the curfew works is it's set up, like you said, all year round. Kids out of school, they get a little antsy, they want to stay out later, they don't have as many things to do. So just some things to keep in mind, the curfew hours don't change. For instance, under 14, the curfew is 9 p.m. And that goes into effect until sunrise the next morning. If you're 14 to 17, you get to stay out till 11. So you have a little bit more leeway, but still at 11 o'clock, curfew hits and it's in effect until sunrise the next morning.
Some exceptions out there,
Certainly, like with anything else, with a parent on legitimate business, say you're getting off work or at maybe a school function that carries over into the spring, carries over a little later, or an emergency errands. Anything directed by a parent or a guardian or somebody that has charge of that juvenile.
Have some jobs or something. So you get rogue kids who go out there and do whatever. Well, there's also influencing kids.
Absolutely. Anybody who influences or helps or encourages a juvenile to violate curfew or be truant from school, anything of that nature can be charged with the influencing curfew violations.
Okay. And likewise, and probably on a more serious level, you have parents who maybe they don't influence, but they're not enforcing either.
Absolutely, and just by knowingly allowing your child, your juvenile, to violate curfew or skip school, be truant from school, they can be charged with parental neglect.
Okay, and I know that Columbus Police just announced that they'll be enforcing curfew as part of the city's crime prevention out there. Obviously, that's, city by city, county by county. It's enforced out there in lots of different places that we know of, and it becomes an important issue, does it not?
And parents should check with the agency or the jurisdiction they live in, but these rules are similar, I'm sure, across the board. I can speak for Westerville, but if you have a question, check with where you live.
All right, good advice this morning. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For that. All right, Tanisha, back to you.
And stay informed about crime on Crime Tracker 10's Facebook page. You like the page today, and you can enjoy 10 crime prevention tips a day.